Happy New Year, plant enthusiasts! As we step into 2025, let's start the year on a vibrant and positive note. Nothing says fresh beginnings quite like bringing colorful, lush foliage into your life. Whether you're sprucing up your home, office, or garden, today's video is packed with 15 stunning foliage plants that aren't just colorful, they're living works of art. Grab a cozy drink, relax, and let's dive into this botanical rainbow together. 1. Variegated Syngonium. Meet the gorgeous variegated Syngonium, also known as the Arrowhead plant. With its creamy white and green marbled leaves, this plant brings elegance and a tropical vibe to any space. Whether you let it climb, trail, or stay bushy, it's a showstopper. Care is simple. Place it in bright, indirect light to keep those variegations vivid, and water it when the top inch of soil feels dry. It's even an air purifier, so it's as functional as it is beautiful. Perfect for beginners and plant lovers alike, the variegated Syngonium is a must-have for a pop of natural charm. 2. Caladium. Caladium bicolor. The next plant on our list is the show-stopping Caladium. Its heart-shaped leaves look like they've been hand-painted with shades of white, pink, red, and green. These plants scream tropical getaway and love warm, humid environments. A word of advice, caladiums prefer indirect light, so they're perfect for brightening up those shady corners. 3. Croton, Codiaeum variegatum. Here comes the bold and beautiful Croton. If you're looking for a statement plant, this is it. With its vibrant mix of yellow, red, orange, and green, Croton adds fiery energy to any room or garden. It loves bright light, so place it by a sunny window to keep those colors popping. Just don't forget to mist it occasionally. It loves a little humidity. 4. Thai plant, Cordyline fruticosa. Feeling adventurous? Let's talk about the Thai plant, also known as the good luck plant in some cultures. Its bold, sword-like leaves come in shades of pink, purple, and red, making it a true tropical gem. Thai plants thrive in bright, indirect light and will absolutely thank you for a bit of humidity. They're perfect for creating a mini tropical vibe in your home. 5. Begonia rex. The Begonia rex is what I like to call the crown jewel of indoor plants. Its metallic leaves in shades of silver, red, purple, and green sparkle under the light like gemstones. They're perfect for tabletops or shelves where they can get bright, indirect light. And don't worry, these beauties are low maintenance but love a little misting now and then. 6. Nerve plant, Fittonia albivenis. The adorable nerve plant may be small, but it sure packs a punch. Its tiny leaves feature striking pink, red, or white veins that make it a real attention grabber. It thrives in humidity, so it's perfect for terrariums or even bathrooms. Just don't let it dry out. This plant loves to stay hydrated. 7. Polka Dot Plant, Hypoestes, Phyllostatia. Next up, the fun and playful Polka Dot Plant. With leaves that look like they've been splattered with paint in pink, red, or white, this plant is as cheerful as it gets. It's perfect for desks, shelves, or even mixed in with other plants to add a pop of color. Just give it bright, indirect light, and it'll stay happy. 8. Painted leaf begonia, Begonia maculata. Let's not forget the charming painted leaf begonia, also called the polka dot begonia. Its elegant green leaves with white polka dots and rich red undersides make it look straight out of a fairy tale. This plant loves bright, indirect light and occasional watering, just enough to keep the soil slightly moist. 9. Peacock Plant, Calathea macayana. The peacock plant is nature's masterpiece. Its intricately patterned green leaves with purple undersides resemble a peacock's feathers, hence the name. This beauty thrives in low to medium light and loves a humid environment. It's perfect for adding a touch of elegance to shaded corners. 10. Red Aglaonema, Aglaonema Siam aurora. Meet the vibrant red Aglaonema, also known as the lucky plant. Its bold green leaves edged in red or pink bring warmth and positivity to any space. Not only is it beautiful, but it's also incredibly easy to care for, making it perfect for beginners. 11th, Maranta, Prayer plant. The prayer plant is not just stunning, it's fascinating. Its leaves feature red or dark green patterns during the day and fold up at night as if in prayer. How cool is that? It thrives in low light and high humidity, making it a perfect choice for cozy indoor spaces. 12. Coleus, Plectranthus scutelarioides. Let's kick off with the Coleus, often called the chameleon of plants. Its vibrant leaves come in almost every color combination you can think of: red, pink, yellow, green, and purple. Coleus thrives in bright, indirect light but can handle some shade, making it super versatile. Plus, with so many varieties, you could create a whole collection just from this one plant. 13. Chinese Evergreen, Aglaonema varieties. The Chinese Evergreen is the ultimate combination of beauty and low-maintenance care. Its foliage comes in shades of green, silver, pink, or red, making it a versatile addition to any space. And the best part? It can tolerate low light, so it's practically foolproof. 14. Purple Shamrock, Oxalis triangularis. The whimsical purple shamrock is a plant that doubles as a conversation starter. Its deep purple, triangular leaves fold up at night and open during the day, like magic. Add its delicate flowers, and you've got a plant that's truly one of a kind. 15. Tricolor Ginger, Stromanthe sanguinea triostar. Last but not least, the Tricolor Ginger is a stunner with its vibrant variegated leaves in green, cream, and pink. This plant looks like a living piece of art and thrives in bright, indirect light with a bit of humidity. And there you have it, 15 colorful foliage plants to start your year with positivity and vibrant energy. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your plant-loving friends, and subscribe for more plant magic. Here's to a colorful and joyful 2025. May your year bloom with happiness.